Hello everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day here, making some good trades as per usual. And yeah, you know what? It's very rare that I do a bonus video. But I'm going to do one this Friday. I usually don't make them. I usually try to just stick to 2 a week. But since GameStop has had a really good, move from the lows here, and we are starting to see impulsive moves, sort of like a 1-2 setup, and we continue to impulse out in a larger 3 of 3 move. This is the time where you're really gonna want to hold, right? I don't see anything bad in the short term. Even on the smaller time frames, things are looking good. You guys can see we're consolidating, pop higher, right? We're grinding up. And it's always good to see at the end of the day the price gets pushed up, and in the after hours, I really don't trade the after hours. I saw some guy yesterday said he traded the after hours. He made something like 95 cents or something. That made me laugh. But yeah, regardless, I think next week may be the week that we break these highs here. But again, I can't give you timing. It's not what I do. Just show you guys where we're at in the count, in the cycle. We had that bearish setup. Didn't play out, and now you have to move on to the more bullish count, and it's taken off now. So let's see what's going on Market Cipher. That's really an important indicator at the moment. So you can see the weekly closed in a very bullish fashion, 12 and a -5 on the dual band strength index. You got the RSI bands are with you. Sorry, the EMA bands, not the RSI bands. The EMA bands are with you. The RSI is coming up. You got green money flow on the weekly. So we just closed a green week. We just closed a weekly candle with green money flow. And on top of that, the monthly has green money flow. It's had green money flow for quite a while now. And it's holding. The price is holding and consolidating inside of this range. On the macro, you could say that it's consolidating for a bigger move higher. Right, and again, we'll see if we get it, but we're off to a great start. And you got bullish dual band strength index numbers. Now you got 6 days left, or I should say probably something like 5 days left before the month. 5 trading days maybe. I'm not too sure. I'd have to check. But regardless, you're running out of time on the monthly, so it's looking really good. But again, a lot of things can change in a few days, so let's see what happens. Right. 4-hour time frame continues to increase in green money flow as well. A very tight RSI bands continue to push up. Bullish dual band strength index numbers. The 1-hour time frame. Look at this. So the 1-hour time frame, those RSIs are topping out, and they're getting tighter and tighter. So you could really see a sustained move. We've seen this before when the RSI climbs up and it just sustains, right? And it squeezes and it holds up. I can give you probably a better example here. That's when we rallied up here, right? And then the RSI is just kind of held up, and these little dips held up, and they stayed tight the whole way. So things are looking good on the smaller time frames as well. You even printed a red dot trying to get a small reversal here, and you didn't get it. So next week, if you start to consolidate at the highs, that's great news. Like you might be just resetting the RSI, burning it up, and wasting the sellers or the shorts or whoever you want to call them. The hedge funds firepower, their ammunition, right? And it's just gonna burn. If we see that's great. We're setting up for either another 1-2 or a 3, 4, and a 5. If you see this next week, right, then you're finishing up one of the counts, and then this 3 will end, and then another 4 and a 5, right? But if you continue to erase divergence, then you're in a much more bullish scenario, much more bullish. It's getting much more bullish than I think. And the daily is starting to get into overbought conditions. It's at 75, but it doesn't mean it can't go higher, right? And just because RSIs are oversold doesn't mean that they can't go lower. A good example is like UNH, right? I kept hearing about UNH. It's so oversold. It's so oversold. It's, oh my God, it's, the 4 hours just so oversold, guys. It's at 20, and it went to 6. It got major oversold. This is where, when it went to 6, that's where I was interested in longing it. Funny enough, that's where it reversed, because that's like an extreme, right? It's very rare to see something like that. And you get the same thing on the daily, right? So some things can remain overbought for a very long period of time, like MicroStrategy. Give a good example. You can see here on the daily, right? The daily was overbought here, 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 and here, and you had all this RSI reset, but all you could get was like a tiny little sell-off, and then the price kept going higher and higher, right? Until you reached, extreme levels of overbought, right? You can even go to the 90s. I think SMCI got to the 90s at one point, right? Yeah, it was in the 95. Like you could see, like a stock being overbought means nothing if the trend is with it. If it's in a downtrend and it's overbought, yeah, you have a possible shorting opportunity. But now the trend is shifting towards the upside. It looks like the wind is on our backs, and we're running with it. So it feels good, and obviously it is good for the in terms of price action. So the weekly, yeah, great close. The 4-day to 3-day daily, nothing really in terms of new indicators on the any new signals on the wave edge indicator, but we are hitting this order block. If we cut through it like butter, then we're going to go into the 40s. But yeah, we'll take this move one step at a time. We're not going to start talking about the 50s or the 60s. We're going to trade what's in front of us, and what's in front of us is this line in the sand right here, and that's the 34, right? 34.49. So all eyes on there. If we manage to get over it, hold it as support, and consolidate, and then get another leg higher, then that's great. We're in a bull trend, right? We're in a bull trend in GameStop. Another bit of information. You can see that the markets. See here, real quick. The markets had a good recovery today. You filled the gap, and you continue to push up, but obviously they're starting to slow down. We are losing momentum in the indexes, but you had a good day. I mean, like, I say good day and it's closed red, but an okay day. Like, it could have been much worse. Like, the market could have continued to sell off, but you found buyers. Like, buyers stepped in, and you're resending the daily RSI for a good amount here. But let's see what happens. We don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now. It's looking good. It's looking very promising for GameStop. The trend is on our side. I was taking a look at the dark pool trades too. I saw one appear here right before the pump, and I'll check tonight to see if another one came out, but I haven't checked it just yet. I'm just kind of doing a bit of an end of the day update here for GameStop, and hopefully you guys are in and you're getting you're reaping the rewards right now. So yeah, that's it. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Relax. I'll do my next update Tuesday. Peace.